everybody, welcome to another Prep and Adventures video. Today is Friday, 22nd of August 2025, it's Friday morning. It's just gone 10:05 in the morning. We've parked the van up at the RSPB Ham Wall car park and we're on the big nature reserve. We're going to have a look around and see what we can find. Nice sunny day. So we're just going to head up that way and see what we can find. Right, well, what we're walking on here was once a railway, part of the Somerset and Dorset, and this would have been heading towards Glastonbury this way. Right, I just over there is a cormorant holding its wings out, and the egret sat next to it. This camera hasn't got very good zoom on it, so I don't know what it zoomed in, but that's just over there. Just zoom out. So we're just having a look around, see what we can see. Right, that's where we just were. We'll be heading along there in a minute. Same lake, just a different position. Just come around, this is another lake on the opposite side where we were just now. Not much in the way of birds on this one, there's a coot over there, but I don't think I'll be able to zoom in on it. So we're going to head on down the path over here and see where that leads us. To the left, there's obviously the big massive lake, one of the massive lakes. It looks like they've planted lots of willows along here to act as a screen off the path. Looks like this is the end of the path. We thought it might go all the way round. Right, we're heading along another trail now. quiet place for reflection. I don't know what that's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be an otter. Probably found another hide. So we're just going to go over and have a look. And then probably have some snacks. Not much on that one. Right, let's go get some snacks. Small pond, this one, I think. Right, snack time. Picnic benches there, so just have a drink and some snacks. Right, so just at the picnic bench, have a couple of snacks. And a drink. And I'm going to head on up the trail which is behind me. Start with the old pork pie. Right, we're past bits. We go straight on off to the right. Might perhaps they link up a bit further. We don't know. We ain't got a map for the area. Well, we're heading off down this one. Underneath this oak tree. This one ends up leading to just a viewing platform by the looks of it. Or does it go off to the left? Does it carry on? Oh yeah, it does carry on. Oh, I don't think it goes very far though.
Ducks, keep more ducks.
There's a foot trail down there. Path carries on that way. Perhaps we'll head on down there. Do you want to have a look down there?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to head on down here. Right, we're going to head on down there and then get onto the trail there, which is a grass trail, which apparently is the Walton Heath Trail, 1.8 kilometre. So that's the way we're going. So down there. Just over there, a little building with the green roof. I believe is the hide we were in earlier. So, just come from down that way, and now we're going to head on that direction. Well, we're heading back out onto the main path now, so that's where we had our snacks earlier. So we're going to head out back here and back out onto the main path and see where that takes us. Right, we're back up on the main trail, which as I said was once a railway. We're heading on down. And what we're going to try and do is see if we can get over the other side on the left. Is a river. I think we can see a bridge up ahead. Right, there's a bridge. Swans just down there. Right, we've just come over the bridge. We've just had camera trouble. The SD card was full, so I had to delete some old files. And we're just going to head up this way. And see where we end up. Right, we're back on the main trail again. We thought better going that way. It took us across the path of a lot of people photographing, so we decided not to go that way. So we're heading back towards the van now. It's 12:10, so we're probably going to cook up some lunch. I'll bring you back in a moment. Right, we're back at the van. Sausages are on. We're just going to have a sausage sandwich before we go, and it's just going up for 1 o'clock. I'll bring you back when we have our sausage sandwiches. Right, our sausage sandwiches are done. So I'm just going to have a nice ice cold Coke. So I'm just going to end the film there. It's only a short one. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.